guys, making a video this morning on these axle nut covers. I got them off of eBay, or no, Amazon I think, and they trying to get a view where I've been riding. They have chipped. So they really suited their purpose. So what I've done is I decided to get some of these Kuryakyn axle nut covers with the little twisted tips on them. I'm going to install these. It's just quick. I'm not going to do an install video because hell, it's just unscrewing and screwing back in on the Allen heads. One thing you do have to remember on these is one size is larger than the other. One size fits the head of the axle that goes through the front wheel, and it's just a round, smooth. It's a bar that goes through with a hole in it that you can hold it to unscrew the nut. So one side has a nut, the other side, it's just like a big long bolt really. One side has a nut, the other side is just smooth. So one of those has a hexagonal base to fit the nut, and the other one is smooth to just fit the other side. That's all you have to pay attention to. So I'll get these on and do a follow-up video. Thanks for watching, guys.